Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to draw something super cute and easy, a heart plant. Use black marker for outline. First we draw the plant pot. It is like a small box. Very good. Then we draw the top rim of the pot. A thin rectangle. Like this. Very good. Now we draw the stem. At the very top of the stem, draw a nice big heart. Like this. Now draw the leaves. Very good. Your drawing is complete. Time to color. We can use different colors. Brown color for the rim. Try to stay inside the lines. Very good. Then we use pink color for the plant pot. Don't cross the lines. To watch more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Very good. Then we use red color for the heart. Great job. Very good. In the last we use parrot color for our leaves. Very good. And there you have it. Your very own cute heart plant is ready. Allah Hafiz.